Chariot is a picture always of Bhagavad Gita. We see Krishna driving Arjuna and the 4 horses are there, but a picture of chariot is given in Kathopanishad. Kathopanishad says this chariot is your body. Who is the rider there? The rider is the jiva or the individual. And what are the horses? 4 instead of that, take 5. 5 horses represent the 5 senses. 5 horses are very powerful and they will go in all directions. Such power they have. Similarly, 5 senses go in all directions. But they are all reined together to one rein. That one rein is the mind. And that is held by the charioteer who is the intellect. So, the picture of Krishna driving Arjuna in the battlefield is representative of your own personality. If the intellect holds the mind in place, then the chariot can take you to the destination. If the intellect doesn't hold the mind, if the reins become loose, the senses go in their own direction, then there is no scope for the individual to redeem himself.